Marcia and I are having a lovely morning trail walk in the wolf habitat. This is probably the most nature she's seen in a while living in Cambridge. What do you think, sweetheart? Come on. This way. So I find that walking helps dogs settle in. And I also like to walk around the fence line with them the first time they come out here, so they see where it is, and also so I can see how they interact with the fence. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. Plus it's a pretty morning. So there's the house. Here's the fence line. And past that, I don't know if you can see that dead tree right in the middle of the shot there. That's about halfway to the back fence line. And if you can see the big rock at the bottom of the hill there is kind of the other fence line. So, pretty awesome area. Come on, sweetie. Yeah, they can feel like they're running loose in the woods, even though they're not. It's usually pretty exciting for most dogs. Hi, sweetie. What do you think? Is it awesome?